Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about one-liners in child, and in that geriatrics one-liners are important. Geriatrics is when the age group in India is more than 60 years. Is geriatric age. Most common health disorder among the geriatrics is cataract. Most common cause of death among Indian geriatric age group more than 70 years is cardiovascular disease. Most common cause of death among Indian geriatric age group more than 70 years is cardiovascular disease. Then miscellaneous. Child placement. First, orphanages. So where do we put some children who do not have families? Orphanages are those for those children who have no home or cannot be taken care of their parents. So if they have no home, or if they cannot be taken care by their parents due to any cause, they can be put in orphanages. Then foster homes. Foster homes are the facilities for rearing children other than in natural families. Those facilities for raising children other than in natural families is foster homes. Adoption. Adoption is adoptive parents have rights and responsibilities similar to natural parents. They are almost similar to the natural parents. Then we have bostels. Bostels are like they are organized by the prisons. They are mainly for boys more than 16 years of age. They are mainly for those children who are difficult to be handled in a certified school. Bostel sentence is generally given for 3 years, approximately 3 years. Sometimes it can be given between 3 to 5 years. Primary objective for bostels is to ensure care, welfare and rehabilitation of young offenders. This is mainly done for those children who have done some crime or some mistake. So this bostels also provide good education, training and moral influence to the children. There are around 12 bostels in India, and these bostels are governed by State Inspector General of Prisons. It is governed by State Inspector General of Prisons. Bombay Bostel School Act is in 1929. In 1929, they have put forward Bombay Bostel School Act. According to it, this act will authorize first class magistrate and superior court to pass the imprisonment of children for the period of 3 to 5 years. In Bostel school punishment can be given for boys between 16 to 21 years of age, and for girls between 18 to 21 years for a period of 3 to 5 years, not less than 3 years and not more than 5 years. Then we have remand homes. Remand homes, here the child is placed under the care of doctors, psychiatrists and other trained personnel. Then children in difficult circumstances. Children in difficult circumstances include those who are homeless children, orphaned or abandoned children whose parents cannot take care of them, refuge or migrant children, trafficked children or working children, a child in prostitution, a child in bondage, girl child, children of prisoners, children of sex workers, children afflicted by conflicts, and children affected by natural disasters, children affected by HIV or AIDS, children affected by terminal disease, or children with any disability and special needs, girl child, child belonging to ST, SC or minorities, child victim of crime or conflict of law, children with disabilities and special needs, children in institutional care. All these include all the children who have some difficulties in their life. We can remember like that. Then we have three important one-liners. The congenital disorders. In congenital disorders, most common congenital disorder includes cardiovascular system and nervous system disorders. Cardiovascular and nervous system disorders. Most common birth defect in North India is neural tube defect or spina bifida. Neural tube defect and spina bifida. Then most common birth defect in rest of the India is musculoskeletal defects. So this is about the child health. End of the chapter. Thank you for watching my lecture. Thank you.